Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install product media sample schema in Oracle Database 19C Enterprise Edition. So this is the Oracle Database 19C home and this is the base directory. Okay, so here under demo schema you can see that I already extracted the SQL scripts. Okay, so this is the source file db sample schemas 19.2 zip file. So from this zip file only I extracted the schema. Okay, product media schema is also one of the schema. Okay, so pm underscore main.sql. So this is the starting point of the product media schema installation. Okay, so here you can see that I have replaced the sub underscore cw string with absolute path. Okay, so on that file also we need to replace that string with absolute path. Okay, now before we proceed, let me show you the tnsnames.ora file. So tnsnames.ora file I have made the entry for orclpdb pluggable database so that I can directly log into pluggable database via sqlplus. So that is the advantage here. And make sure that you have restarted the Oracle listener if you have touched the tnsnames.ora file. Okay, so then only that TNS names changes will get into effect. Okay, now let me log into sqlplus. So I am logging to container database to check whether all the pluggable database are up and running. Okay, so orclpdb is up and running and it is in read write mode. So make sure that it's in read write mode, then only you can install the schema. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to log in as sysset orclpdb as sysdba. So I am logging as a dba to orclpdb pluggable database. Okay, so now let us start the product media installation. Go back to home directory demo schema product media. So I am copying this path. pm underscore main.sql. So provide the password pm, provide the default table space. So users will be the default table space, temporary table space will be temp, and password for OE, which means that order entry schema should be already available. Okay, and provide the password for sys. Next, provide the password for pm data files. Sorry, provide the directory path for pm data files and provide the directory path for log files. Provide the work directory path. Finally, provide the connect string. Okay, connect string here is orclpdb. So product media schema installation is successful. So user has created grand succeeded. Okay, so everything is done, table created and data is loaded successfully. Okay, now let me try in before that I am logging as DBA to orclpdb pluggable database. So I am unlocking the PM account. So this is optional query only. Okay, this is optional query only. For safer side, I am executing. Okay, so now let me try to log in Oracle SQL Developer. So I can able to connect to orclpdb PM schema. Okay, successfully. So I can able to browse the database objects. Okay, so everything is fine here. So select from print and so I can able to browse the records also. Okay. So I am disconnecting from SQL Developer. Now let me try from SQL Plus. Yes, I can able to log in from SQL Plus. Okay, so finally product media sample schema installation in Oracle database 19C enterprise edition is successful. Make sure that you replace the sub underscore CW string with absolute path wherever it is necessary, which will lead to the successful installation of product media sample schema.